In this training video, we will show you how to power on your FabPro 1000 and the associated menus accessed on the printer LCD. Once you've successfully connected the Cat5 Ethernet cable and the power supply, press and release the power on button. At this point, you will notice that the power on button will blink with a blue light. The first message shown on the LCD is 3D Systems initializing. At this point, please wait for the machine to complete its initialization. This process may take 20 to 30 seconds. The next screen shows the product name and the version of software loaded on your FabPro 1000. Please be aware a newer version of software may be available for download. Please check the FabPro 1000 site for the latest software download. Once the initialization process is complete, you will see a message on the LCD showing printer ready and its associated Internet Protocol IP address. Congratulations, you've successfully powered on and connected your FabPro 1000 printer and are ready to start printing.